Hi everybody, this is Tommy Lanasa talking to you. Today I'm gonna describe you this website about Arcelormital. This is a mining company. I choose this website because I'm studying in the mineral technology. And later in my career I wish to work there because my father worked there, so that's about it. Okay, let's uh, let's see. This is the taskbar here. We can see about the company, their installation, the development, media, career, blog. Okay, here's the minimize, maximize, close navigation bar. On the website, if we click on the home, it's here we arrive. It's just a little bit about their company. So we'll look about the about. If we press about, we can see a short text about this mining company, their what they exploit, what they work for. For example, they are exploiting iron. Here is their installation. They have a lot of installation around the world, but on this website we only see their installation in Canada. There is a few of them in the north. You can see it here. For the development, we have this little text, media. We can see that they have a lot of article. Those are only the most recent one. If we want to communicate with them, we press here, publication. We can see a picture, video. If we press here, we can see a career. They give a lot of job to the person from here, from Canada. We can see everything there, and if we want to apply on a job, we can see on this website and press what we want to do for them and send them our CV. There is their blog. There's not a lot. I think it's in progress. So that's about it for this website. Thank you for listening, guys. I hope you enjoy it.